In this video, I will be showcasing 10 small crossover SUVs that are distinguished for their outstanding long-term reliability. These vehicles are ideal for ownership over an extended duration without incurring significant expenses related to maintenance and repairs. The reliability data presented in this video is derived from esteemed sources such as Consumer Reports, Cars.com, Car Canada, and insights from seasoned mechanics who frequently service these models. Before we proceed with the list, if you find this content valuable, please consider subscribing. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Honda CR-V. While it occupies the last position, the CR-V continues to be a well-engineered SUV and a noteworthy option to contemplate. One of its key attributes is its practicality and efficient use of space, providing ample room for passengers and a substantial cargo area. The interior is not only spacious, but also well-appointed, featuring high-quality materials, user-friendly controls, and a thoughtfully designed infotainment system. On the road, the CR-V performs admirably, striking a commendable balance between handling and ride comfort. It offers versatility with two drivetrain options: a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT, available in either front-wheel or all-wheel drive, as well as a fuel-efficient hybrid variant. Furthermore, the CR-V is well regarded for its reliability, low repair costs, and high resale value, making it an excellent choice for long-term ownership or for those considering a trade-in after a few years to recoup a significant portion of their investment. Although the CR-V provides great value, its position at the bottom of the list is influenced by its pricing. In 2023, Honda has significantly raised the pricing of its models, which has diminished its competitiveness within the SUV market. However, for those who favor the CR-V, particularly the hybrid variant, it continues to be a commendable option. Ranked at number 9 is the 2023 Subaru Crosstrek, a highly sought-after subcompact crossover. If you prefer a smaller SUV that emphasizes maneuverability rather than expansive interior space, the Crosstrek is an outstanding selection. Subaru's acclaimed symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive system enhances the Crosstrek's capability, providing a comfortable driving experience. Buyers can choose between a 2.0-liter or a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, both paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The more powerful 2.5-liter engine delivers a superior driving experience, although the interior may not be the most spacious in its class. The Crosstrek compensates. The Mazda CX-30, while not primarily focused on expansive interior space, has established a strong reputation for reliability and quality craftsmanship. This makes it an outstanding option for those seeking long-term ownership with low repair costs. In comparison to the Crosstrek, the CX-30 features a more stylish exterior and a more upscale interior, leaning towards a luxurious feel. On the road, the CX-30 excels in driving dynamics, offering impressive handling and robust power from either a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine or a 2.5-liter turbo engine that produces up to 250 horsepower. The standard all-wheel drive and a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission, as opposed to a continuously variable transmission, CVT, enhance its appeal to a wide range of buyers. In conclusion, the CX-30 is a remarkable choice for a compact SUV. However, if you prefer a more spacious alternative, we can now consider the next SUV on our list, the 2023 Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V distinguishes itself with its notable strengths. Similar to its larger sibling, The CR-V. Its primary advantages lie in practicality and spaciousness, making it one of the most accommodating subcompact crossovers on the market, thus providing a significant advantage over its rivals. Beyond its generous space, the HR-V features a thoughtfully designed interior that showcases quality craftsmanship and an intuitive control layout, complemented by a variety of features and active safety technologies. The driving experience is both comfortable and enjoyable, thanks to its commendable handling and adequate performance from a 2.0-liter, naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine. While it may not impress with high-performance metrics, the HR-V remains an excellent choice for those in search of a dependable SUV without the concern of exorbitant repair expenses. The HR-V presents a viable option. Although it is priced relatively high, its strong resale value, stemming from a solid reputation for reliability, makes it an attractive choice. However, for individuals prioritizing greater value for their investment, we should consider the sixth entry on our list, the 2023 Subaru Forester. The Forester is an excellent selection for those desiring a thoughtfully designed and reliable SUV that remains economical in terms of maintenance costs. Renowned for its dependability, the Forester also stands out as one of the safest and most capable SUVs within its category. With Subaru's symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive and an extensive array of safety features provided by Subaru Eyesight, the Forester guarantees a secure driving experience. This SUV is practical, offering ample passenger and cargo space, along with an intuitive control layout and infotainment system. While the Forester delivers commendable value, it does have a slight drawback in terms of performance. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is perceived as lacking in power, which is The CX-5 features a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Even with the base engine, the CX-5 delivers impressive performance and showcases a surprisingly upscale interior with exceptional build quality, giving the impression of a more luxurious vehicle. In a similar vein, the slightly larger CX-50 caters to those who prioritize practicality. In both instances, you are assured of a reliable SUV with a strong reputation for dependability. A comparable assertion can be made regarding the fourth SUV on the list, the Toyota Corolla Cross. If you seek a compact SUV that excels in reliability, fuel efficiency, safety, and offers remarkable value, the Corolla Cross is an excellent option. As one of the most affordable SUVs available, it does not compromise on practicality, providing ample interior and cargo space. It is equipped with a robust infotainment system and numerous safety features under the Toyota Safety Sense umbrella, making it a compelling choice. While the base 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine may lack excitement, it is notably fuel. Alternatively, the Corolla Cross Hybrid offers enhanced fuel economy and a significant power increase, reaching approximately 192 horsepower. Ultimately, the Corolla Cross distinguishes itself with its unparalleled value, considering its fuel efficiency, reliability, and extensive features at its price point. Toyota continues to impress with the Corolla Cross, and the third SUV in their 2023 lineup, the Toyota Venza, also makes a strong case. Reintroduced to the market in 2021, this model features a unique twist, as it is exclusively offered as a hybrid SUV. A significant advantage is Toyota's well-established reputation for manufacturing the most reliable hybrids available, a legacy that has persisted for over 20 years. The Venza benefits from this dependable hybrid system, which combines proven durability with remarkable fuel efficiency, achieving up to 40 miles per gallon or 6 liters per 100 kilometers. Performance is another strong aspect, delivering up to 219 horsepower and equipped with standard all-wheel drive. The interior is both spacious and well-appointed, showcasing a wide array of desirable features and advanced technology. Notably, it includes one of the largest touchscreen infotainment systems in its class, utilizing Toyota's latest multimedia interface. As a result, the Venza stands out as one of the premier SUVs available within its price range. For those who appreciate the Venza